We are going to visit White Castle in China. This is not the one we are looking for. Here, it is. You can find 2 White Castle restaurants in Shanghai. The interior is very clean. The look is typical for this franchise store. This place is not crowded and we can't wait to order our first burgers. Let's have a look at the menu. The burgers are cheaper if you buy them in a set. The kitchen looks very clean and the staff started cooking after we ordered. This way the food will be maximum fresh and is not pre-produced. You can choose from 6 different self-service beverages. We ordered a meal with 3 different burgers. This set comes with sweet potato fries. Here are the 3 burgers that we ordered with our meal. A cheeseburger, tofu burger and crispy chicken burger. This is a classic cheeseburger that looks very juicy. The burger is very delicious. The size is a bit small, but that is why you have more than just one burger in a meal. White Castle is about quality and not quantity. The tofu burger is very interesting and also has a meat patty inside. So it is not a vegetarian option. The tofu is thick compared to the meat and is also juicy. This is a very delicious burger. Here is the crispy chicken burger that is also very delicious. You can also order a duck meat burger that might be a local choice, like the tofu burger, which is probably not available in other countries outside of China. After you finished your meal, you can build your own castle out of the burger boxes. What constructions did you build with your empty boxes? Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.